Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am MK Jabin Taj. Today I wish you all happy Ramzan. In this happiest moment today I am introducing Jabin software in which all these C programs are executed with .jabin extension and runs on Turbo C++ software. And introducing two programming languages, Jabin Programming Language 1 and Jabin Programming Language 2. In Jabin Programming Language 1, we find C and C++ all functions are used together in a single program and are executed with .cpp extension on Turbo C++ software. And in Jabin Programming Language 2, I have given a code using which all C programs are executed with .java extension on Turbo C++ software. PDF is released on my FB group Jabin India Books. Before going for execution, I am hoping that all of you will spread these everywhere and make advanced improvements in these with me. Now let us move towards these three executions. First, double click on Jabin software. First, I have double clicked on Jabin software and opened a new file and named it as jabin.jabin and typed this program. Okay, now let us see the execution. This is the output. Now let us see execution using Jabin Programming Language 1. I have double clicked on C or C++, that is Turbo C software, and opened a new file and named it as Jabin1 and saved as jabin1.cpp and typed this program. Here we find printf also, cout also. Using C and C++ functions and header files in a single program gives a language called Jabin Programming Language 1. Now let us execute. See, this is the output. Now using Jabin Programming Language 1, let us see another program. This is the palindrome program. Now let us run. Enter N. Okay. Okay. Now let us see execution using the Jabin Programming Language 2 with my own code. First, I have double clicked on Turbo C++ software and opened a new file. I named it as Jabin3 and saved as jabin3.java. Okay, and typed this program with my code. Here printf hello is given. Okay, any C program we will give, but the extension is Java here using this code called Jabin Programming Language 2. Okay, now let us execute. This is the output. Okay, we have done it. One software and two programming languages. Okay, I hope you enjoyed and understood this. Thank you. Again, one thing I want to notice you all that Jabin software is not a Turbo C++ software but based on Turbo C++ software. That is, Turbo C++ software is a parent of Jabin software. Jabin software is one which is based on Turbo C++ software where all the programs, C programs are executed with .jabin extension. Okay, I hope you have understood. Thank you.